Okay, so welcome to all of you in the grammar advanced session, and today I'm going to discuss an important topic that is called the adjectives. As you all know about the adjectives, right? But adjective is very vast topic. There are so many types of adjectives: qualitative adjectives, quantitative adjectives, number adjectives. So there are so many types of adjectives. But today we are going to discuss little bit different. Okay, so I'm just going to share the PPT and hope you get click this topic. Okay, guys. So now this is a adjective. What do you mean by adjective? As you know, adjective describes the noun. Adjective describes the noun. I saw a girl. I saw a girl. Is there any adjective in this sentence? I saw a girl.
No, ma'am.
There is no adjective. But if I say I saw a beautiful girl, is there any adjective in this sentence?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
What's
Beautiful.
beautiful?
Beautiful.
Because it describes the noun. And what
Now,
is the noun in this sentence? Girl.
girl.
Girl. So beautiful is an adjective because it describes the girl. A cup of coffee. A cup of coffee. Simple.
बोला है तो मेरी मत लिख
But if we say a small cup of coffee. A small cup of coffee. So what is small?
Adjective.
Adjective. A small is a adjective. If I say a beautiful small cup of coffee, so again, beautiful is also an adjective and small is also an adjective. So my dear students, what I am going to tell you कि there can be more than two adjectives in a sentence. It's not hard and fast rule कि only one adjective should be there. As many as adjectives you can put in a sentence to make the sentence more
Meaningful.
meaningful, right? Ab, this type of words you have gone through, ed and ing. Sometimes we got confused कि I am bored is a right sentence या I am boring is a right sentence. Sometimes we got confused. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the adjectives that ends with ed and that ends with ing. कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स जो ed से एंड होते हैं और कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स जो ing से एंड होते हैं, that both are the adjectives, but their usages is very different. Okay, so now देखो जैसे that's an interesting house. That's an interesting house. We speak in this way. That's an interesting house. What is an adjective in this sentence?
Interesting.
इंटरेस्टिंग
Interesting. ठीक है, कैसे पता लगाया? Because it ends
ग्राउंड
with ing. It ends with ing. ed और ing और किसी भी पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच में आता है? ed और ing. ed and ing is comes in any other parts of speech apart from adjective.
वर्ब
Verb. Very good. Verb के अंदर भी ing आता है. Verb के अंदर भी ed आता है. But there is a difference ki how to use the verbs that ends with ed. There is a verbs that there is an adjective that ends with ing. जैसे this is an interesting house. यहाँ पर it describes the house. It
हाउस इज
describes
नाउन
the house. House is a noun. और noun से पहले अगर उसको कोई describe करता है तो that becomes an adjective.
बोरिंग टॉपिक
हाँ, boring topic. Yes. I am interested in buying that topic. Oh, sorry. I am interested in buying that house. अगेन ईडी से कंफ्यूज मत हो जाना. डोंट कंफ्यूज कि अच्छा मैम ये तो इंटरेस्ट है और इसका हमने ईडी
स्टेड
लगाकर
ओके
हाँ ये हमने पास्ट पार्टिसिपल बना दिया. नो, दिस इज नॉट द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल हियर. आई एम
आई एम
इंटरेस्टेड.
इंटरेस्टेड यस
आई एम इंटरेस्टेड जो है इंटरेस्टेड अगेन इट इज एन एडजेक्टिव. इट इज एन एडजेक्टिव. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पहले तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए दीज आर नॉट द वर्ब्स. Because whatever is coming into our mind, as soon as we see a word that ends with ing, it immediately triggers our mind. Oh, it's a present participle. Whenever I see any word which ends with ed, again triggers our mind. Okay, it's a past form. No, it can be adjective also.
इंटरेस्टेड
Right? So, but you should know कि how. एडजेक्टिव्स अब देखो इसका कोई प्रेजेंट पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर है ये जस्ट आफ्टर रीडिंग दी सेंटेंसेस डू यू फाइंड इट इज प्रेजेंट पास्ट और फ्यूचर?
No.
नो, बिकॉज एडजेक्टिव्स डजंट शो द टाइम. Only the verb show the time, but the adjectives doesn't show the time. Now, this is very important. In which case you have to use ed adjectives and in which case you have to use ing adjectives.
Yes.
Right? This is very important. देखो ed हम यूज कर सकते हैं. ed tells about the emotions. When we talk about the emotions, when we talk that describe someone's feels कि कैसे कोई भी फील करता है, फीलिंग that is related with the feeling, how someone feels, that becomes ed adjectives.
Okay.
That becomes ed. And ing adjectives होता है that gives me the emotion, मतलब that gives the impact of someone on other, that gives the impact on someone. जब वो उसको कुछ impact देता है, that describes the situations, that describe the event, then you have to use ing. Like for example,
This is my emotion. This gives me the emotion.
this
What
gives
a
me
different.
difference. देखो जब हम किसी चीज को फील करते हैं then you have to use ed.
It
और
was
जब वो उसके ऊपर इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है then you have to use ing. Like for example, I was excited.
It was exciting.
I was excited मतलब this is my emotion.
हाँ.
I feel मैं कैसा फील कर रही हूँ, एक्साइटेड फील कर रही हूँ. सो यू हैव टू से आई वॉज एक्साइटेड, डोंट से आई वॉज एक्साइटिंग. दिस इज रॉन्ग. अब मैं एक्साइटेड क्यों हूं, मैं एक्साइटेड क्यों थी, उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या पड़ रहा है, क्यों थी मैं एक्साइटेड, बिकॉज माई डे वॉज एक्साइटिंग. अब वो उसका इम्पैक्ट पड़ रहा है. दिस डिस्क्राइब्स अ सिचुएशन, दिस डिस्क्राइब्स अ डे. कैसा दिन था, डे वॉज एक्साइटिंग, डे वॉज एक्साइटिंग. ओके, सो बेसिकली ईडी जो है वो हमारा जो होता है लिविंग बींग्स के ऊपर होता है और आईएनजी जो होता है वो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के ऊपर होता है. ठीक है, चलो और एग्जांपल देखते हैं. आई एम एनॉयड, दिस इज अगेन माई फीलिंग, दिस इज माई फीलिंग. मैं एनॉयड हूं, मैं गुस्से में हूं, दिस इज माई फीलिंग, दिस इज हाउ समवन फील्स. बट वाई आई एम एनॉयड, आई एम एनॉयड बिकॉज द फ्लाई इज एनॉइंग. अब वो जो मैंने बोला था ना, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द
Right.
नॉन लिविंग बींग्स, दैट इज नॉट 100% एक्सेप्टेंस, लेकिन चांसेस आर वेरी हाई. लेकिन अब आई एम एनॉयड, दिस इज माई फीलिंग. अब मैं एनॉयड क्यों हूं, उसका क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ रहा है, बिकॉज द फ्लाई इज एनॉइंग. फ्लाई इज एनॉइंग, फ्लाई मुझे एनॉय कर रही है, फ्लाई इज एनॉइंग.
No, she is annoying and I was annoyed. Huh?
I was annoyed. I was annoyed का मतलब था this was my emotion. This was my
Hmm.
emotion.
Hmm,
And when you talk about the impact of someone on other,
hmm.
अब इसका impact पड़ रहा है ना, fly का impact पड़ रहा है. So that's why she is annoying.
मैम अगर थर्ड पर्सन यहाँ आ जाएगा तो शी वॉज या शी इज अनोइंग.
हाँ, she is annoying. She is
अनोइंग
annoying. हाँ
थर्ड पर्सन आएगा तो
हाँ हाँ
हाँ
हाँ.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
वो आपका वर्ब वगैरह उसके अकॉर्डिंग चेंज हो जाएगा. That is not an issue.
यू आर यू में यू
You
आर
are,
अनोइड.
you are.
यू आर अनोइड
You
या
are
अनोइंग.
annoyed. You are annoyed. You are
डायरेक्ट बोल रहे हो.
annoyed.
यू आर अनोइड होगा ना.
हाँ. The students were fascinated. The students were fascinated. ठीक है, अब ये स्टूडेंट्स की इमोशंस हैं. We are talking about the students' emotions. So that's why we have written the students were fascinated. क्यों, क्यों स्टूडेंट्स फैसिनेटेड है, उसका क्या इम्पैक्ट क्या पड़ेगा, बिकॉज अ साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट वॉज फैसिनेटिंग. क्योंकि जो उनका साइंस का जो एक्सपेरिमेंट था वो उनको फैसिनेट कर रहा था. उसका जो इम्पैक्ट है, साइंस का जो एक्सपेरिमेंट का जो इम्पैक्ट है वो उसके ऊपर पड़ रहा था. तो एक बार इसका लिखो, आईएनजी का लिखो, टू शो द इफेक्ट ऑफ समथिंग ऑन समवन. आईएनजी, आईएनजी ब्रैकेट करके लिखो, टू शो द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ समवन, समथिंग ऑन समवन.
To show the
किसी चीज का रिजल्ट किसी चीज पर पड़ना, टू शो द इफेक्ट ऑफ समथिंग ऑन समवन,
Something
टू
on
शो
some
द इफेक्ट ऑफ समथिंग ऑन समवन।
ED. Direct impact.
अब देखो इसका इम्पैक्ट किसका पड़ रहा है, साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट का इम्पैक्ट पड़ रहा है, किस पे पड़ रहा है, स्टूडेंट्स पे पड़ रहा है, इसलिए स्टूडेंट्स फैसिनेट हो रहे हैं, इसलिए स्टूडेंट्स का इमोशंस क्या हो रहा है, दे आर फैसिनेटेड। ओके, माय बॉस इज नॉट वेरी प्रोफेशनल बट ही इज
That's
डेफिनेटली एंटरटेनिंग, इज दिस सेंटेंस राइट? Yes,
Yes.
Geeta is saying yes. What about others?
Seems correct, ma'am.
Seems correct. Satya Gopal?
not very professional. Seems correct.
Okay. Is it a big mistake if I use a wrong adjective? अगर मैं कोई wrong adjective use करती हूँ तो is it is a big mistake? Let's see. Last week I was playing cricket and it was pretty excited. It was pretty excited. Is this sentence right?
Exciting.
Yeah, hi Biko. Biko, we have just started the adjectives. Okay, so I'm going through the
Yes,
repeat,
yes,
not
ma'am.
go through the
Good
record.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening, dear. So is this sentence
Okay.
right? Grammatically, this sentence is right?
To me, it was pretty exciting.
Last week I was playing cricket and it was pretty excited.
It is okay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है madam.
It's exciting.
It was pretty exciting. It was pretty exciting. Last week जब मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा
मैम
था,
ये अगर आई
अगर
आई
ये
एम
आई
प्रीटी
से होता,
एक्साइटेड होगा
अगर ये
तो
आई से
एक्साइटेड
होता ना तब ये एक्साइटेड
एक्साइटेड होता
था, बट
एक्साइटेड
यहाँ पर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट उसका
थर्ड
इम्पैक्ट क्या
पर्सन
पड़ा,
हाँ
उसका इम्पैक्ट
इम्पैक्ट
पड़ा क्या
यस
पड़ा, क्रिकेट का क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ा,
हम्म
इट वॉज प्रीटी एक्साइटिंग।
हम्म
Okay.
द स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन वॉज डिसअपॉइंटेड।
Was disappointing.
The standard comedian was disappointing. They are the two sentences. The standard comedian was disappointed. The standard comedian was disappointing. Geeta, can you tell me what is the
Disappointing.
difference between these two sentences, or do you really think so? These two sentences are same.
Oh, ma'am, I think first one is correct. The stand-up comedian was disappointed because this is the
The
comedian's
sentence, Geeta,
emotion.
both the sentences are correct.
Okay.
Both the
मीनिंग
sentences are correct, but the difference in their meaning.
Same, ma'am. In the first sentence, the emotion of comedian,
Ah,
but in the second sentence, the impact of the
stand-up comedian on the audience.
ऑन द
audience.
ऑडियंस
Very good, very good, Geeta. Guys, देखो, the stand-up
अबाउट
comedian was disappointed. मत इसका मतलब क्या है? We are talking about the
इमोशन ऑफ
emotion of the
एडवर्टाइजमेंट
stand-up comedian. मतलब
यस
stand-up comedian निराश था,
निराश था हाँ
निराश था,
निराश करा
क्यों
और
निराश
निराश
था?
था
ठीक है ना? He was disappointed.
हाँ,
But if you are saying the stand-up comedian was disappointing, इसका मतलब stand-up
निराश करा
comedian निराश करा रहा था।
हम्म,
स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन वॉज डिसअपॉइंटिंग का मतलब वो निराश
निराश
करा रहा था ड्यू टू हिज बैक जोक्स,
बैड यस
ड्यू टू हिज बैड जोक्स। ठीक है, जैसे ही वॉज डिसअपॉइंटेड बिकॉज ओनली 30 पीपल केम टू वॉच हिज शो। ही वॉज डिसअपॉइंटेड, वह डिसअपॉइंटेड था, क्यों? क्योंकि सिर्फ 30 पीपल विल केम टू वॉच हिज शो। He was disappointing. I thought his show would be funny, but I didn't laugh at all. He was disappointing. मतलब वो बहुत ही ज्यादा बेकार था. He was disappointing. I thought that his show would be very funny, but it was a hopeless show. So he was disappointing is also right. He was disappointed is also right. But you
But no, no.
understand what is the difference between that.
Yes.
He was disappointed because the audience is making lot of noise. He
Hmm.
was disappointed because the audience doesn't want to listen him.
Hmm.
And he was disappointing due to the bad jokes. Due to the bad jokes. मतलब he was disappointing का मतलब वो लोगों को disappoint करवा रहा था. The little girl was frightened. मतलब the little girl was frightened. What does it mean, Seema?
मैम वो द गर्ल बच्ची डर रही है मैम.
बच्ची
डर
डरी
गई.
हुई थी. बच्ची डरी हुई थी. द लिटिल वो गर्ल वॉज फ्राइटेंड. बच्ची डरी हुई थी. अगर सीमा इसको ऐसे बनाना हो, छोटी बच्ची डरा रही थी, तो क्या बनाओगे?
The little girl was frightening
हाँ,
the
द
other
लिटिल गर्ल
girl
वॉज फ्राइटनिंग. द
was
लिटिल गर्ल वॉज फ्राइटनिंग.
frightening.
और अगर सेंटेंस है बच्ची डरी हुई थी, द लिटिल गर्ल वॉज,
Was frightened.
क्योंकि वो उसका इमोशन है, वो खुद डरी हुई थी. द लिटिल गर्ल वॉज फ्राइटेंड. बनाओ सेंटेंस, बनाओ इसको, कंप्लीट करो. जस्ट सी द पिक्चर एंड कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस.
The little girl was frightened to see the kangaroo.
कैंगरू नहीं
Not
है,
kangaroo.
Dinosaur.
डायनासोर है.
Dinosaur.
इतनी अच्छी पिक्चर लगाई है सीमा तुमने.
Yeah.
The little girl was frightened to see the big dinosaur. To
Big
see
dinosaur.
the big dinosaur. Very nice. The little girl, अच्छा, Satya Gopal, just make a sentence with the little girl was frightening. Just see the picture. Second picture.
Little girl was frightening on TV.
Little girl डरा रही थी.
The little girl was frightening over the show.
The little girl was frightened because she saw a big scary shadow. ये यहाँ तक तो clear है?
Hmm.
Yes,
This is clear?
Hmm.
The little girl was frightening during I was watching a horror movie.
Okay.
During I was
I
watching
thought
a...
that little girl is on the screen.
नहीं, see, हाँ, हाँ.
Okay,
Little girl is
okay.
just like a nightmare, na? It's just like a nightmare, horror movie. So little girl was frightening when I was watching a horror movie.
Okay.
When I was watching a horror movie, the little girl was frightening.
Was frightening.
Don't say the little girl was frightened. That is wrong. Are you guys getting me? Guys,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
little tricky topic, but if you understand, na, this will really help you in your communication skills.
Yes, ma'am.
It means that, ma'am, I came to understand that. It means that in TV, the little girl was frightening to us
No.
as an actor.
As an actor, yes. As an actor. Basically, when we are using ing, when there is a someone's impact on others. Impact on others. अब यहाँ पर उसका impact पड़ रहा है. And when we are talking about our own emotions, then we have to use ed. My mom was embarrassed. Okay, Bhiku, you tell me, what does it mean? My mom was embarrassed.
It
What
means
does it
that my mom was embarrassed.
mean?
It means due to some reason, my mom was embarrassed.
मतलब इसका मतलब क्या है? My mom was embarrassed मतलब
वो शर्मिंदा हुई मम्मी.
हाँ, मेरी मॉम शर्मिंदा हो गई थी.
हाँ.
मेरी मॉम शर्मिंदा हो गई थी. अब आपको इसके अंदर
Suppose you will add it due.
She slipped.
because she slipped,
Because in
because
front
she
of
fell
some
down,
people,
Because
my
she's
mom
because she fell down.
stumbled,
हाँ,
Hmm.
right?
fell down, or my mom stumbled. That's where my mom was embarrassed.
हाँ, my mom was embarrassed due to the slip of the foot, whatever you can say,
Stumble.
whatever the same. My mom was embarrassed, and second, इसी का same sentence लिखा है मैंने. My mom is embarrassing. What does it mean, Geeta? What does it mean? My mom is embarrassed and my mom is embarrassing.
Embarrassing means, ma'am,
Impact on mom, embarrassed.
Mom on us.
Mm-hmm.
On us.
Impact by mom, embarrassing.
In first sentence, my mom was embarrassed. It means that due to stumble or anything else, ये मेरे मम्मी
हाँ, तो ये मेरी मम्मी
embarrassed
के
हुई.
इमोशंस के साथ हुआ, मेरी मम्मी के फीलिंग
Impact
के
to
साथ
mummy.
हुआ. ठीक है ना? मतलब इन दिस केस माय मम्मीज इमोशंस आर एसोसिएटेड. माय मॉम वाज एम्बैरेस, मेरी
Yes,
मम्मी
yes.
एम्बैरेस हो गई थी. माय मॉम इज एम्बैरेसिंग मींस मेरी मम्मी हमें एम्बैरेस कर रही है. मेरी मम्मी एम्बैरेस
हाँ.
कर रही है. माय मॉम इज एम्बैरेसिंग.
Impact to mom, impact
हाँ,
of mom or impact by mom? नहीं.
इम्पैक्ट बाय मॉम.
Hi, mom.
इम्पैक्ट बाय मॉम.
Impact by mom.
Impact to mom and impact by mom.
हाँ, माय मॉम
In
वाज
first
एम्बैरेस्ड बिकॉज
sentence,
शी.
वो खुद शर्मिंदा हुई और सेकंड सेंटेंस में वो हमको शर्मिंदा किया.
हाँ, the
Yes.
impact on someone else, the impact on someone else, because she slipped accidentally on some water. ठीक है, वो अचानक से गिर गई थी, स्लिप हो गई थी, तो इससे मेरी मम्मा एम्बेरस हो गई. माई मॉम इज एम्बेरसिंग मीन्स बिकॉज शी ऑलवेज डांसेस इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स. She always dances in front of my friends, so that's why my mom is embarrassing.
बस.
Or
excuse me.
this we can relate na. My mom is embarrassing, always calling my nicknames in front of my
My
friends.
friend.
हम कहते हैं ना, मम्मा क्या आप बेइज्जती करवा रहे हो. ठीक है, तो मेरी मम्मा मेरे को एम्बेरस करवा रही है बाय कॉलिंग माय निकनेम्स. वो बोल देती है ना मम्मियाँ जो घरों में बोलती हैं, भुजिया, गोलू, शोलू, सोनू सारे आ जाते हैं. सो इट मीन्स माय मॉम इज एम्बेरसिंग. माय मॉम इज एम्बेरसिंग.
Ma'am, if I say I am embarrassing right now,
I
it
am
means
embarrassing का नहीं, I am
Your
embarrassing.
behavior
This is your
I'm
impacting
emotion.
on.
embarrassed
So
because
then
it's
you have to
showing
say,
our
Geeta, I
emotion.
am embarrassed.
Embarrassed. Yes.
embarrassed.
I am
It's my
embarrassed.
emotion. Yes, yes.
I am embarrassed.
It's my emotion.
हाँ,
Okay.
इमोशंस के साथ ईडी लगाना है, बस इतना सा समझना है. I was amazed. क्या मतलब हुआ?
मस्त फील कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, I was amazed. मैं हैरान थी.
हैरान हैरान.
मैं हैरान थी. I was amazed. I was amazing. Seema, what does it mean?
कमाल कर दिया इसने.
हाँ,
कुछ देख के प्रसन्न हो जाना है मैम, कुछ अमेज फील करना. सेकंड सेंटेंस में आई
I
वाज
was
अमेजिंग.
amazing. I was amazing का मतलब क्या हुआ?
मैम, इसने ऐसा किया काम कि मतलब बहुत बढ़िया काम किया इसने.
नहीं, I was amazed का मतलब हो गया मैं amazed हो गई
हो
थी.
गई हो गई.
I was
मैंने
amazing का मतलब
मैंने
मैं
सबको
कर
हैरान कर
दिया.
दिया.
मैंने सबको
I was
अमेज
मैं दूसरे को
amazing.
अमेज
हाँ, मैंने
मैं
मैंने
दूसरे को
दूसरों को
अमेज
अमेज कर दिया.
कर दिया.
देखो
हाँ.
गाइस, देखो देयर आर द ओनली टू थिंग्स. या तो वो मेरे साथ होगा या वो मैं किसी के
के
ऊपर
साथ
कर रहा हूं.
करूंगी. यस.
अगर वो मेरे साथ हो रहा है, इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इमोशंस, वो इमोशंस किसी के भी हो सकते हैं, चाहे मेरे हो, आपके हो, किसी के इमोशंस अगर हैं, तो यू हैव टू पुट ईडी.
ईडी.
एंड इफ यू आर डूइंग समवंस, ठीक है, सो देन यू हैव टू यूज आईएनजी. आई वॉज अमेज्ड का मतलब मैं हैरान थी. कैसे हैरान थी? आई वॉज अमेज्ड बाय सीइंग अ बिग.
At whale
Well,
watching
हाँ,
point, I was amazed by the size of the whale.
whale. I was amazed by size of the whale. I was amazing का मतलब मैं अमेज कर रही थी.
by
Wow, I was amazing. The
the
audience
piano.
loved me.
Yes.
I was amazing by playing the
It
piano.
means that
Piano. Yes.
he done a performance before the people.
It
It means that wow, I was amazing. The audience loved me. It means that she has done a performance before the people.
Right.
Give an impact on the audience.
People impact. People का impact था कि the audience start to love her.
Yes.
Okay, guys.
Yes,
Okay. So now
common mistake.
कॉमन मिस्टेक स्ट्रेस, हम स्ट्रेस नहीं यूज कर सकते, हम स्ट्रेसफुल यूज करते हैं। चलो एक टेस्ट लेते हैं, मिनी टेस्ट है आपका। These are the some words: depressed, depressing, confused, confusing, bore, boring, mystified, mystifying, intrigued, intriguing, frightened, frightening, surprise, surprising। ठीक है, चलो देखो क्या आएगा इसके अंदर। एक मिनट, आई एम जस्ट कमिंग सम।
When you this, when you got the job.
Were you excited when you got the job?
X. Were you excited?
Yeah.
नहीं, very exciting when you got the job.
Were you excited
हाँ जी,
when you
क्या
got the
आया?
job?
Were
Excited.
you?
Excited.
Excited, ma'am.
Confused भी हो सकता है।
Were you
Excited.
excited when you got the job?
Got the job.
Yes, surprised.
Okay, ma'am. Oh, my God.
And he was so exciting.
एक्साइटिंग वर्ड है कहाँ यहाँ पर?
First, or surprising, ma'am.
My boyfriend plan.
सरप्राइजिंग, सरप्राइजिंग तो डन ना, जस्ट चूज अनदर वर्ड।
He was so excited.
वेयर इज एक्साइटेड?
Sorry.
Left top, right
देयर आर
top
द
में,
He
सम
is
वर्ड्स।
excited, ma'am.
right top में है सर
अच्छा
मैडम।
लिखा हुआ है, अच्छा सो सॉरी, इट्स नॉट विजिबल फ्रॉम माय एंड। ओके ओके, एक्साइटेड है, ठीक है।
राइट टॉप में है।
ओके ओके, चलो। एक्साइटेड, ही वाज सो एक्साइटेड।
Exciting, ma'am.
चलो लेट्स सी।
Bored.
बोर्ड।
अच्छा एक बात बताओ, कौन आर्ट म्यूजियम जाके एक्साइटेड होता है? Especially
कोई कोई
when
होते होंगे।
you are talking about the boyfriend and girlfriend, do you really think
Okay,
so
okay.
कि अगर मैं अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को आर्ट म्यूजियम में लेके जाऊं तो that would be excited?
No. Bored,
I
ma'am.
don't.
There should be a movie.
हाँ
He was
राइट,
excited.
मूवी हो, कुछ अलग एडवेंचर पार्क हो, so
Yes, ma'am.
who is but that was right. ED you put, so that was absolutely right. So he was so bored. He was so bored.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
if your boyfriend is related with the art, so maybe he was so excited.
Excited. Hmm.
ठीक है, next. A death in a
Death.
family is always
Always depressing, ma'am.
okay, depressing. Okay, any more inputs?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of mystified?
Mystified होता है related to mystery,
Mystery.
रहस्य। और
Okay,
intrigued
okay.
का मतलब होता है curious।
इच्छुक. Depressing.
Everyone depressing?
Yes, ma'am.
Devastating.
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 Okay.
Devastating का मतलब होता है जैसे वो शोक नहीं हम बनाते हैं, शोक।
Okay.
That is called devastating. But absolutely right, ing will come. ing will come. Okay, next. Biko.
भयानक।
To be honest, I am really that. I have to work and study and take care of my parents.
हिलने वाला।
I am really
Devastating. दिल दहला।
frightened.
Overwhelmed?
I have
Frightened.
to work and study.
Yes, overwhelmed. I
Yes.
am really overwhelmed. I am really overwhelmed. I have to work and study and take care of my parents. Okay, is the book bored or excited? क्या बोलोगे आप?
Is the book bored or
What you will speak?
Bored
free होगा?
हाँ?
Excited?
एक्साइटेड नहीं, एक्साइटिंग होगा, नहीं तो बोर्ड होगा.
Exciting होगा, नहीं तो bored होगा.
is the book bored?
Is the book
Is the book bored or excited?
Excited.
बुक के बारे में ही है, ठीक है।
हाँ, तो बुक के बारे में
बोर्ड
है
भी हो
तो
सकती है.
दोनों हो सकता है, कोई भी हो सकता है।
दोनों ही नहीं हो सकता ये।
That's-
भाई बुक के बारे में है ना, ये बुक 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 डजंट बुक हैज इमोशंस.
हम्म
No,
No, no,
we
no,
are
no.
just talking about कि if I read this book, so what's the impact of reading that book?
बोरिंग और एक्साइटिंग है, यस
हाँ,
Yes,
या तो
yes,
बुक बोरिंग होगा या एक्साइटिंग होगा.
यस।
Yes.
Don't say
Right.
is the book bored or excited. This is wrong.
Yes, yes.
After reading the book, what is the impact on you? So that's we talk about the book. So book is boring or exciting,
Exciting. Yes. Topic.
right? I have never dreamed about the success I worked for. Okay. So that is the topic. I will share that. Okay. So now guys, this is the done. We have done, and now I'm taking one more. Hmm. Okay, that is a quiz. I always ready with some quiz. Okay, guys. Now, what is that quiz? I will share one sentence. I will share one sentence in front of you. And you have to tell ki whether this sentence is right or wrong.
Okay.
Okay, so one by one we will discuss.
Okay.
This is a sentence. Please read this sentence
Your
very
slide
carefully.
didn't come, ma'am.
This is not coming?
No,
ma'am.
no, it is not coming.
No, ma'am.
अरे भाई बोलना होता है ना फिर. मैं तो अपनी मस्ती में चला रही हूँ. अब is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, please, ma'am.
Ah, now this is a sentence, guys. What do you
What do you
want?
want?
A Coke or an orange juice? Please write down your mistake. If you find there is a mistake, so what is that mistake?
What do you want? A Coke or
And if you think so, this is right, so okay, this is right.
Coke?
Coke is a wrong sentence, wrong word.
नहीं.
Be quick, guys.
ठीक तो लग रहा है.
This sentence is right.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
okay. हाँ तो बोलो ना this.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, okay, Seema. Okay,
Yes,
Viku, Geeta. Geeta is saying that something is fishy, na? So that's why it is here. So what do you want? A Coke or an orange juice? Although most of the time we speak in this way, guys. लेकिन the correct sentence है हमारा there is a mistake in what? There is a mistake in what? So instead of what you have to use? Which?
Which do you want?
Which do you want? Because here we are talking about the non-living things. कोक और ऑरेंज जूस में से आपको क्या चाहिए? हम मोस्टली बोलते हैं
Which?
व्हाट डू यू वांट, बट दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. यू हैव टू से व्हिच डू यू
Which do
वांट,
you want?
बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स.
Okay.
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट बताओ. आई एम वर्क एट एन ऑफिस डाउनटाउन.
I work at an office down.
I am working, ma'am.
I am working. Okay. So you are saying am work is wrong. Am work is wrong. Any more inputs?
I have been working.
I have been working. Okay. Any more inputs? Okay. Let's see.
I
देखो या तो बोलो I am working. I am working at this moment. This is also right. Or you can
I
say
work
I
also
work.
at-
I work at an office downtown because this is his
Simple
daily
present.
routine. This is her daily routine. So then you can also say I work. I work is also.
Hmm.
But don't say I am work. I am work is no.
I work or I am working.
Ah.
Yes.
Yes. Is there any mistake?
Mary don't take the bus to school.
Any mistake? Or is it right? Hmm?
Okay, ठीक है मैम.
ठीक है. Everyone?
नहीं लग रहा है.
Right or wrong?
Ma'am, from the school.
Okay, from
To
the
school.
school. Okay, okay.
Take bus to school. Simple present. Affirmative. ठीक है मैम. कोई इशू नहीं. To school. Bus to school.
Guys, ये कौन सी क्लासेस चल रही हैं हमारी? एडवांस ग्रामर. Advanced grammar ka means you have already completed your 3 months. And then you are coming for the advanced grammar. And I'm amazed that you guys are not able to identify the mistake in this sentence.
मम्मा डांटेगी तो जा तो उसको हो गया बताना ऐसे जाओ बाकी मम्मा से पूछना क्या क्या हो
Guys,
गया
there is a mistake in this. Do not.
जाओ
What should become?
हाँ वो हो गया
Does not.
Does not. Okay.
Does not.
Yes.
Mary
Yes.
is a
Yes.
singular subject.
yes, yes.
Mary is a
Singular.
singular
Singular.
subject.
Singular subject. Yes. Does not. Yes.
मतलब to की जगह from हो गया और सब हो गया, लेकिन ये
Doesn't.
हाँ,
Yes.
doesn't. Okay, this is very important. कभी कभी
Third person.
छोटी
Yes.
चीज पे ध्यान नहीं देते, बिगर पिक्चर देखते हैं.
Third person. Yes.
Dad cook very well.
Dad cook very well.
What is the mistake?
Cooks, ma'am.
So
Cooks.
cook is a mistake, and what should be
Cooks.
the correct word?
Yes.
That
Cook.
is, that
Cooks.
cooks well.
Again,
Dad
dad is a
cooks.
singular
Yes.
subject, और इसके साथ you have to put the s.
Yes. Third person.
You go to school by bike. What is the mistake, Geeta?
Do you?
Do you?
go-
मुझे वैसे लग रहा है. Do you go to school by
Why?
Yes,
Why do
appropriate
you
is
go?
there.
Interrogative sentence.
Yes, so you got
Interrogative is
mistake
there.
Do
है,
you?
so the sentence would be
do you go to
school by bike. Very good, because it ends with question.
Yes.
I have always English classes at CCA in the afternoon.
I have always.
English classes.
मैम have always नहीं होगा.
Then
I am having English
I
classes.
am having. Okay, okay. Any more mistake?
Or I have English classes. Always नहीं होगा मैम.
Acha, always you can remove. Okay. Next.
I always have.
की क्लास में आंसर करना है guys.
ये ठीक
If
है
there will
मैडम,
be
मुझे ठीक लग
always,
रहा है.
then
I have ये
सही.
possessive sentence. ये मैंने I have always English
ये always
class
have भी हो सकता है.
it
at
will be English
CCA.
class, not English classes.
Why English classes? There are 2-3 classes.
At CCA in the afternoon.
There is a problem in have always. Okay, chalo, I'm giving you the hint. There is a problem in have always. Then the correct sentence is I always
Always.
have English classes. Guys,
Always
always
have.
is an
Yes.
adverb. Always is an adverb. and try to use the adverb
Around,
after the subject. हम क्या करते हैं, कहीं पर भी adverb use कर देते हैं. That is a mistake.
I always have, yes. I always have,
You
yes.
क्या? Okay, Geeta. Geeta, is there any mistake?
You can buy
You
some.
can buy some. You can.
You can buy some clothes you want. Whenever you want. You can buy some blouse whenever you want.
Okay, so you are saying you want. में mistake है.
No. It's you can buy some
Buy
blouse
some.
whenever you want. जब भी आप चाहते हो.
No. You have to check the word in which there
You
is a
can buy
mistake.
some blouse.
You have to buy some blouse you want.
You can buy some blouse you want.
Some,
There's a
some.
problem in some. You can buy any blouse.
Any blouse.
You can buy any.
अच्छा.
हम लगा देते हैं some. Can I do nothing for you?
Something, ma'am. Nothing का जगह में something.
Something is a mistake. Something is a mistake. And the correct word is, can I do something for you? Very nice.
Something.
Okay, Bhiku, I don't have much money. Suzanne doesn't too.
I don't have much money.
इसमें थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है.
Sushant, who?
टू वो although हम at the time of speaking बोल देते हैं.
2 बार नहीं आएगा, doesn't.
I
करेक्ट
don't
जो
have.
है वो आएगा either. I don't have
अच्छा.
much money. Suzanne doesn't either. But two is also okay. हम बोल देते हैं at the time of speaking we can. So I'm not taking this sentence.
मैम,
हाँ
2 बार डजन ना लगा के सुजन टू बोल के लिखने से नहीं होगा.
sorry.
आई डोंट हैव मच मनी, सुजन टू.
Suzanne doesn't.
अच्छा.
Suzanne doesn't too. हम टू लिख देते हैं. But two जो है grammatically that is not right. You have to
Either.
use either. Okay, but two is also acceptable. That is little bit tough हो गया. चलो next बताओ. Mary has a dog and she has a cat also.
He has a cat
Two.
too.
Cat also. ठीक है, तो also में mistake है. चलो hint दे दिया. अब क्या होगा? What should be the correct sentence?
He has a cat
Two.
too.
Mary has a dog.
And she
And
has a cat too.
she has a cat too.
ऐसा लगे.
She has a
Dog too.
Two.
Mary has a cat and she has a cat too. Very good, Satya Gopal has spoken. Or you can also say Mary has a dog and she also has a cat.
Also.
Okay.
Also पहले आ जाएगा. Subject के just बाद you have to put the adverb.
Also last में नहीं आएगा.
हाँ, also last में नहीं आएगा. देखो Mary has a dog and she has a cat too. या तो two use करो.
Two.
T-double-O. अगर if you don't want to use two, you want to use also. So what you will say? Mary has a
Mary has a
dog
dog
and
and
she
she
also
has.
also has a cat. She also has a cat. Yes. Next.
मैम ऑल्सो यहाँ क्या है? कौन सा पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच?
Also is an adverb.
एडवर्ब.
Adverb. I not tell
ये
you.
किसके बारे में बोल रहा है? ऑल्सो.
Also मतलब भी. मैरी डॉग रखती है एंड शी ऑल्सो हैज अ कैट और वो कैट भी रखती है.
कैट के बारे में बोल रहा है, तो ये नाउन के बारे में तो एडजेक्टिव होगा ना मैम?
नहीं. शी ऑल्सो हैज अ कैट. वो कैट भी रखती है. दिस इज एन एडवर्ब. Adverb doesn't tells about the adjective only. It tells about the noun. It tells about the adverb. It tells about the adjective also.
ओके.
Okay, इसमें बताओ क्या मिस्टेक है?
I do not help
Not.
you after the class because I have to go
हाँ.
home.
I.
Do not, ma'am.
Okay.
I
Not.
cannot भी हो सकती ma'am.
I cannot या do not.
Cannot.
I don't.
I can't.
Yes, very good. I can't.
I
Very
can.
good, very good. I can't help you after the class because I have to go home. मैं आपकी हेल्प अभी नहीं कर सकता. I can't help you after the class because I have to go home. I do my homework next week.
I will do.
I will do.
I will do.
Teacher.
Do में mistake है, it means you are saying. Yes, do में mistake है. Okay. So I will do.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I will do भी बोल सकते हो और I
That's
am
what I'm going
going
to do.
to do my homework next week. This is also right. This is also.
Yes.
Okay, keep up the good work, but good work के लिए you need lot of practice.